Is a ketogenic diet safe for people who have received a diagnosis of type 2 diabetes? The food recommended for people with high blood sugar encourages weight loss. A ketogenic diet has high amounts of fat and is low in carbs, so it is mystifying how such a high-fat diet is an option for alleviating high blood sugar. But before we get started, you can learn 28-day keto diet challenge in the description below this video. The ketogenic diet underlines a low intake of carbohydrates and increased consumption of fat and protein. The body then breaks down fat by a process called ketosis, and produces a source of fuel called ketones. Usually, the diet improves blood sugar levels while decreasing the body's need for insulin. The diet initially was developed for epilepsy treatment, but the kinds of food and the eating pattern it highlights are being studied for the benefit of those with type 2 diabetes. The ketogenic diet contains foods such as pasta, fruits, and bread as a source of body energy. People with type 2 diabetes suffer from high and unstable blood sugar levels, and the keto diet helps them by allowing the body to preserve their blood sugar at a low healthy level. How does a keto diet help many with type 2 diabetes? In 2016, the Journal of Obesity and Eating Disorders published a review suggesting a keto diet may help people with diabetes by improving their A1C test results, more than a calorie diet. The ketogenic diet places emphasis on the consumption of more protein and fat, making you feel less hungry and therefore leading to weight loss. Protein and fat take longer to digest than carbohydrates and helps to keep energy levels up. In a nutshell, the ketogenic diet lowers blood sugar, enhances insulin sensitivity, and promotes less dependency on medications. The keto diet plan. Ketogenic diets are stringent, but if adhered to correctly they can provide a nourishing and healthful nutrition routine. It is about staying away from carbohydrate foods likely to spike blood sugar levels. People with type 2 diabetes are often advised to focus on this diet plan as it consists of a mix of low carbohydrate foods, high fat content, and moderate protein. It is also important because it avoids high processed foods and indulges in lightly processed and healthy foods. A ketogenic diet should consist of these types of food. Low-carb vegetables. Eat vegetables with every meal. Avoid starchy vegetables like corn and potatoes. Eggs, they contain a low amount of carbohydrates and are a high source of protein. Meats, eat fatty meats but avoid excessive amounts. High amounts of protein plus low carbohydrates can lead to the liver converting protein into glucose, thus causing the person to come out of ketosis. Fish, an excellent source of protein. Eat from healthy sources of fat like avocados, seeds, nuts, and olive oil. Conclusion. It is helpful to go by what your body requires rather than what you feel you need. Always follow your doctor's advice on nutrition and medications and check with him/her before starting a new eating plan. Although managing your disease can be very challenging, type 2 diabetes is not a condition you must just live with. You can make simple changes to your daily routine and lower both your weight and your blood sugar levels. Hang in there, the longer you do it, the easier it gets. Thanks for watching. For more information, read the description below this video. And don't forget to like, share and comment to support this channel.